Hi, this is Irving, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Are you ready, Irving?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, and time starts now. Who is your favorite person to travel with?
I will say my wife.
Okay,
Uh,
nice. Favorite band?
um, well, I will choose a Mexican one, and I like Mana.
Okay, cool. Something you're great at cooking.
Oh, salads and rice,
Okay, nice. Song you sing in the shower.
some rock.
Okay. If pizzas are round, why do they come in square boxes?
I don't know, I would guess because those are easier to be like packed. And also,
Okay,
yeah,
okay. Best movie or TV series of all time?
um, I will say Back to the Future.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Like,
Favorite cartoon character?
SpongeBob.
Okay, cool. And time's up. Thank you, Irving.
See you.
Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?